This is the Active Recreation instructional video on how to use the pocket mask. Each mask comes in its own container with a visual on the back of how to use the mask. To open, simply flick the latch at the front, open the case, remove the instructions, gloves and alcohol towelette. Then pull the mask out. Check that the valve is in place and ready for use. Once you have the mask out, you will then need to push the mask up so it will fit over the casualty's face, like so. For an adult casualty, make sure that you have rubber gloves on. Place the band over the back of the head of the casualty and the mask over the nose and mouth of your casualty. Open up the airway. If on your own, do a C grip with your index finger on the chin and thumb over the nose and breathe over the valve. If doing two-person CPR, do a two-handed C grip, fingers on the chin, thumbs over the bridge of the nose, and breathe into the valve from above. If using the mask on a child or infant, you will need to turn the mask upside down so that the pointy bit goes towards their chin. Place the mask over the nose and mouth of the casualty. Grab on with a C grip and do a head tilt to open the airway and then breathe on the valve